This is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq, apartment 201, Eagan, Minnesota, 55123. It's November 5th, and we're going to just walk in here. As we walk in, we can see the smoke detector and the controlled entry buzzer, and the fire extinguisher. Looking out over the window that's covered with mini blinds, we can see the apartments next door and the parking area. There's also this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a 2-car garage. Laminate floors, non-smoking building. There's a little deck. If you do have to smoke, you can go out on the deck and smoke. This room that we're in here right now is about 12 by 26, I believe it is. Living room, dining room. Everything, by the way, looks bigger in person than it does on this video. It's just a cell phone video, but it does the work for the apartment tour. So we're going to look at the appliances here, and they're nice and clean. All the shelves are intact. Just something that people want to look for when they move into an apartment. Laminate countertops, ceramic top stove, clean oven. Microwave oven, we're going to show that here. You can see that. And of course the sink with a single handle faucet. And we'll quickly look at the dishwasher, and then we'll pan back at everything that we got. So now if we pan back at the kitchen, lots of cabinets. There's the door we just came in, center island, even more cabinets. Got an outlet on the center island. So now we're going to walk back to the bedrooms. This unit has central air conditioning, washer and dryer in the unit. So the first bedroom, which is the smallest one, that's about 8 by 10 is what I believe, plus the 2-foot by maybe 7-foot closet. We'll quickly peek in the closet. There's nothing real fancy there, just a shelf and a rod. Carpet on the floor. Circuit breakers behind the door in that panel. But we're going to look at the other bedrooms. So the next room is the master bedroom. This is 11 by 12. Decent carpet on the floor. Many blinds over the window overlooking the park. Kind of a walking path area if you're out there. And once again, this is it's got about an 8-foot by 2-foot closet in addition to the room. Once again, nothing fancy. Third bedroom, and I believe this is about 13 by 9. Many blinds on the window, same closet, overlooking the area, more apartments in the back. Nice green area, walking path. As we come out, we'll see the washer and dryer, which are decent. They're apartment size. There's also some additional washers and dryers downstairs you can use that are larger. The bathroom, kind of a jacuzzi tub, although I don't know how many people use it, but it does work. Tested between every turnover. Nice shiny chrome. And another cabinet here. Towels. So once again, nothing fancy. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, central air, washer and dryer, 2-car garage. And this is 886 Wescott Sq here in Eagan, Minnesota on November 5th, 2018.